Hey everyone! So I have my 10 by 20 already prepped. The white is laid down and we're going to do a flip and drag. So let me get it up here farther for you. I've been shooting a few videos tonight and everything's coming out so pretty, and I probably just jinxed myself. Okay, so what I want to do is my little 5-ounce cup, spray it with my WD-40 just to release paint. I hope y'all been catching my live painting on Monday nights at 9. We did a flip. We did 4 paintings actually this last one, and my airbrush sales went sky high on Amazon. So thanks everybody. I'm trying to figure out what colors I wanted to use on this because I'm always doing the same old, same old. So I thought maybe we might mix it up a little bit. So I have some Premier Purple Red that I've been wanting to try. So I think we'll use that, if I can get it open. And some Naples Yellow, which I don't normally use on a flip and drag because it's so light, but it's so pretty. If I can get it open. New squirt bottles, they're a little tough. How about some Color Shift Blue Flash? I'll try that one. And give it a stir. It's been sitting for a couple days. And they all have treadmill silicone in them. Okay, and I need one more. Let's see. I think I'll go with the Cobalt, Metallic Cobalt from Artist Loft. It's a metallic cobalt blue hue is called. It looks more like a turquoise green. So that's gonna offset these. Yeah, let's give it a go. I feel like I need something dark though. How about some Lucas Indigo just to break it up? Otherwise I think we're gonna be too pastel-y. Alright, so for that reason I will use this first. And not very much of it. And I'm gonna follow that with the purple red. And then the Naples Yellow. The Metallic Cobalt Blue hue. A little bit of the Blue Flash. And then I'm going to go ahead and put just a few drops of the indigo on top. So I have about an ounce of color, if that. Let me give it a tiny swirl. So we should get some purple in here with these colors mixed together. Oh, that's just so cool the way it is right now. I'm gonna have to try that in a flip cup. Ideas, light bulbs going off. It's pretty in the cup. These cups do not like me to poke holes for some reason. Well, then fine. I'm not gonna. So I'm just gonna pull it around. Normally I go the other way, but tonight I'm not. suction is crazy. Definitely be moving this around. I have a bald spot there. Well, I guess not. Just made me think I did. But I do have one here. When I first started painting, I would never stick my fingers in the paint like that. I'm getting better. I'm getting braver. This is really pretty here. So I'm going to go ahead and move it to the middle. Make sure everything's there. And then I'm going to stretch it out. And I think I'm going to come my way first because that one side is very feathery already. I've never done these colors together before, so you're seeing it first. All right. I don't think there's anything else I want to move. I just want to stretch this out here a little bit because it's pretty with that purple, red, and Naples yellow. Okay, and then I'm going to come back this way. Okay. Just tip. Okay, I opened up that purple. That's what I wanted to do, was open that up a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and torch it. Nothing wants to come out there. Come on out and play. Very subtle. And that's fine with me. I like subtle. Okay, so let's do some airbrushing. And if you haven't got one yet, get one on my Amazon shop. You can come play with me. On my live on Monday, I did 4 paintings, and I did a yarn pull and a flip and drag and a dirty pour and a flip cup. So everybody got a little taste of everything Monday night. We went a little longer than we had planned. I wanted to keep it under an hour, but everybody was rip-raring to go. They were so cooperative, and some of those girls hung the whole entire time. And I love that they were chatting with each other, and it was kind of neat. So if you were one of them, thank you so much for joining me. My husband and I really appreciate it. He works very hard all week, and for him to help me with the lives is amazing. He's amazing. Okay, I'll turn it around and get the other side. This is so pretty right here. And this is pretty because it's subtle, so you kind of have a little bit of everything going on. And we're pulling out colors that layer over each other. It's just pretty. I want to touch that spot because it's kind of neat. And I think that's all I'm gonna do. This section right here reminds me of one of Anne Osborne's paintings. How she gets those little tiny bits of color that come up through the white. I've been watching her for over a year now. She's amazing. If you haven't checked her out, go check her out. That's good for that one. So let me give you a little peek. So we have the subtleness on this end, and then we get to the vibrant side, which is kind of cool because it's not all one pattern of color. So I really like this one. So I'm getting better with experimenting with color and trying some different colors. But I didn't use orange, right, Trina? And I know Trina will watch this. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below and click on the bell, and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art, and shop at my Etsy shop. We're still running our sale, 25% off. Use the code BIRTHDAY. And let's see, painting supplies, the airbrush, the washing machine tray, the pads, the torch, cups, stir sticks, you name it, it's on there. Deco Arts, new pouring medium, and top coat are there. Everything's there that you need to paint with, and then a little bit extra. Even the stool that I sit on, so it's a saddle stool. So check that out. All the links are below. If you want to sponsor my channel, there's a link for that as well. We do quarterly giveaways for our sponsors, and our first one will be in August, so you still have plenty of time if you want to sponsor the channel. Give me a thumbs up, guys, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.